Many organizations still rely on USB drives in their daily operations. They're practical and necessary, but they're also one of the most common ways malware enters a secure environment. In fact, more than half of cyber attacks use USB drives as the entry point. The risks range from infected files spreading ransomware to more advanced threats like devices that impersonate a keyboard to inject commands. You can't always ban USBs, but you can control what comes in. And that's why we built the link22 USB scan solution. It's a physical checkpoint for your data, designed for critical infrastructure, the defense sector, and any organization with sensitive information. It scans files through multiple top-tier antivirus engines and uses Content Disarm and Reconstruction, CDR, to strip away and neutralize threats that signature-based scanning can miss, including zero-day vulnerabilities. Only safe, reconstructed data is transferred to a clean drive. Malware never crosses your perimeter. Link22 USB scan solution is engineered in Sweden, built for environments where failure is not an option. And it's one of the most cost-effective measures you can take to significantly improve your cybersecurity posture. It's simply good cyber hygiene. Visit link22.eu to learn more.